Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So I'm gonna be installing this wig. I've already prepped it, straightened it, bleached it. I kind of over bleached it, but I'm gonna fix it. So this is me basically just putting on the cap and using spray to glue it. I'm gonna actually dry it up. It's really good. Just dry it up, and I'm gonna basically use this foundation, cream foundation, on my scalp. It's always good to go for like a darker shade, maybe two shade darker. Yeah, I always go for a bit of like a darker shade. Cutting off the lace. I always basically put the wig on my head. Make sure it aligns in the middle before I basically glue it down. I'm using this glue, really amazing. Like, I'm gonna basically just rub down the glue and just rub it down. And the good thing about this glue is the fact that it really dries fast. It's amazing. I'm gonna basically put this and I'm gonna layer it. The more you layer it, the longer the wig lasts. So I basically just did like a 2-3 time layering and allowed it to like air dry. I don't know why I was using the heater, but just allow it to air dry. It dries real quick, but because I was in a hurry, I had to basically just use the hair dryer. You're supposed to leave it to clear up, but I don't have that time, so I had to just fix it, put it on, and use my brush and brush it back for it to glue down. Basically, we're just gonna let it air dry a bit.
I need you in the morning, but I need you now.
I'm basically just cutting out the excess lace, and whenever I cut this lace, you have to cut in zigzag. If you cut it straight, it will be really hard for it to melt in, so you need to cut in zigzag, literally zigzag, and you need to be really careful here.
I know what you like. I feel it coming. Tell me something, yes, that I try to need you, but I need some lessons. I need to give it all. I try to live, but I can't. I don't know why you're the one. Turn me out of my mind. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Said I'm eating mess of my mind. And I'm eating make you free of my mind. Say your body talk to me nice. Say now my love you didn't need for your life. Yeah, our love no be like. Say everything together, yeah, day and night. Yeah, if I leave you goodbye. Yeah, you could leave, I'm stroking your body, baby. Loving your body, baby. As you're whining your body, baby. So crazy. Loving your body, baby. Girl, you want it to me. I just wanna let you know. Oh, baby, day. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body. Only you feel on my body. You don't need no other body. Hey, baby, everybody's the same. No one loves you like that. No one wants you the same way. Up till the morning, my one put down from your loving. I just wanna get you beside me. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all you. Give me all you need. Give me all you need. Give me all. Make I give you all you need. Every touch you need. Give you all. Make I give you all you need, baby. Yeah. You don't need no other body. You don't need no other body. Only you feel on my body.
So there's some places that some of the glues did not like glue down the hair, so I'm just gonna add a bit of glue under the lace. I'm just gonna raise it a bit, the hair up a bit back, and I'm gonna add the glues, just basically add the glues down it, and I'm just gonna let it to air dry and just turn clear.
Only you feel on my body. Yeah. Only you feel on my body.
It has turned clear a bit, and I'm just gonna press it down just because of this is a bit very good glue. There's some glues that if it doesn't turn really clear well, and you basically try to put it down or press the hair with your skin, it's not gonna come out good. So always allow it to basically air dry and become really clear. I know that mine is gonna basically turn really clear, so I'm not really bothered. So this is me basically just pressing down the corners with the comb for it to blend in more. And later on I'm gonna be using alcohol to basically clean the side, which I've done, and I'm basically bringing out some of the hairs that the glues have basically hold, just brushing it out, to be honest. I'm using some of the liquid foundation cream, my color, and just dabbing it in, to be honest. You see how it's blending, it's giving skin, literally. Baby, you're perfect. I've removed the band and I'm basically using this magic hair whatever corrector just to make it straight. It's harder for me because I'm doing it on myself, but if I'm doing it on another person, it will be way straighter than this. So yeah, and I'm using the foundation to give like the middle parting and stuff like that. It's supposed to be a bit brighter, like to skin, but I just use this foundation, to be honest. I can't really be bothered. I didn't want the middle parting to be so bright. This is what the hair came out as. I loved it. Like, it came out really nice. Love it. Before you install your hair, make sure you straighten or coil it so it's easier for you guys. I ate with this look. Kisses, guys. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Love you guys.